Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best inline CPAP filter is probably one of the most important yet often overlooked components of your CPAP therapy. Ensuring clean and dry air not only improves the effectiveness of your treatment, leading to better sleep and overall health, but also extends the life of your CPAP machine by preventing damage from dust, allergens, and moisture. In this video, we'll explore what makes an inline CPAP filter truly great, helping you choose the perfect one to enhance your sleep quality and overall well-being. Number 5. Mars Wellness CPAP Filter. Breathe easier with our new CPAP filters. They're designed for a simple, quick installation and to keep your airflow strong. It fits most CPAP and BiPAP machines. See our video for DreamStation or heated tubing instructions. It has low resistance to gas flow, so you maintain that strong airflow you need for a comfortable night's sleep. Installing and replacing it is quick and easy. Just attach it between the air outlet and your tubing. They're disposable and should be replaced every 4 to 6 weeks, or sooner if they look dirty. Your individual needs may vary. These filters purify your CPAP experience, providing cleaner, healthier air for a better night's sleep. Get yours today. What we like. It boasts a universal design, making it compatible with various CPAP and BiPAP machines. Installation is a breeze, simply attach it between the air outlet and your tubing. If you need a filter that won't restrict airflow, this is the one for you. What people say. This assures that the air coming into the instrument is clean. It also prevents chest and lung infections. These filters are easy to install and do not impede the airflow at all. These work with the slim hose and climate control hose. My first time using one of these, my filter was a dirty gray after a couple of days. Wow! I've suffered with tickles in the back of my throat causing coughing fits at night when I'm using my CPAP. I decided to try this and it's greatly reduced those. Number 4. Philips DreamStation 2 Filter Kit. This kit ensures clean air for a better night's sleep. It's designed for easy installation and optimal performance. The reusable pollen filters are made of blended synthetic fibers, while the disposable ultrafine filters use polyester. They're designed to remove dust, pollen, and other small particles. Breathe easier and sleep more soundly. It delivers clean, fresh air every time, contributing to better sleep quality. Installing the filters is a breeze. Simply slide out the old filter, snap in a new one, and you're ready for a restful night. This kit is specifically designed for your DreamStation 2 machine. Never run your machine without a filter for optimal performance and longevity. You get 2 reusable pollen filters and 6 disposable ultrafine filters. Everything you need to keep your machine running smoothly. These premium filters are manufactured right here in the USA, ensuring the highest quality and standards. What we like. This kit includes both reusable and disposable filters for the DreamStation 2, offering flexibility and convenience. The filters are made in the USA, ensuring high quality. If you value quality and convenience, this is the ideal choice for your DreamStation 2. What people say. It's perfect and works just as well as name brand filters. These filters saved me a trip to the DRS office and then the clinic. I admit, waited way too long to replace the old filter, but it truly makes a difference. I've slept longer better than I have in a long time. Perfect fit for my dream machine too. These are identical size, color and quality as the more expensive ones we were purchasing from the medical supplier. Packaged the same way, have all the same markings and fit the machine exactly. Number 3. ResMed CPAP Filters. These filters are designed to keep your CPAP machine clean and running smoothly. They're easy to use and help ensure you're breathing clean air all night long. This convenient kit comes with 12 disposable filters, so you'll always have a fresh one on hand. It's a cost-effective way to maintain your CPAP machine. It fits both 22mm and 25mm tubing, making it compatible with most CPAP machines. You can use it with your existing setup. They filter out impurities and debris from the air, ensuring you breathe clean air while you sleep. This helps protect both you and your machine. Simply connect it between the air outlet and your heated tubing. It's quick and easy to install, so you can get back to sleep faster. For optimal performance, remember to replace it every 4 weeks. Clean air is essential for a good night's sleep. What we like. With 12 disposable filters, it offers great value and convenience. It's compatible with most machines using 22mm or 25mm tubing. If you're looking for an affordable and widely compatible option, this is it. What people say. They actually seem to be making some difference in my sleep. Yes, they do restrict the flow some, however, it has not been noticeable to me. It helps in preventing him getting a cough if the hose has any bacteria in it. Walks great. Product fit as it should. Easy to install and maintain. You can see when it gets dirty. A great addition to normal filters. Number 2. IBEET CPAP Filters. These filters improve your CPAP experience by removing moisture and unwanted particles from the air you breathe. Enjoy cleaner, healthier sleep. It effectively filters out over 99.99% of dirty particles, ensuring you breathe only the purest air. This helps prevent impurities from entering your body. It's designed to not restrict airflow, so breathing remains comfortable. If you experience any breathing difficulty, simply adjust your machine's airflow setting. It's compatible with all standard and heated tubing. For heated tubing, please refer to the instructions for proper connection. Replace it every 3 to 4 weeks, or sooner if needed, depending on your environment. You'll be surprised by how much dirt it traps. If using heated tubing, connect it to the silicone end of the tubing and then to your mask, do not connect it directly to the machine. What we like. This filter boasts exceptional filtration, removing over 99.99% of impurities. It works with all standard and heated tubing. If you prioritize exceptionally clean air, this is the filter for you. What people say. Fit CPAP well, provides extra filtration with inhibiting airflow. Sinuses seem a bit clearer when waking up. These filters are incredibly effective, filtering out over 99.99% of unwanted particles and moisture. It's reassuring to know that the air I'm breathing is as clean as it can be. After seeing them turn dark over time, it's obvious they're helping to clean the air and there's no disruption to airflow. Number 1. Universal CPAP Inline Filter. It fits most CPAP machines with 22mm or 25mm tubing, including heated tubing. It's designed for a seamless connection to your existing setup. Breathe easier with its high-density filter pads. They effectively remove black debris and particles, ensuring cleaner air for you. Simply connect it between your machine's air outlet and your tubing, or directly to your machine or even your mask. It's that simple. This pack includes 12 individually packaged filters, providing a cost-effective solution for a whole year of clean air. For optimal performance, replace it every 4 to 6 weeks. With 12 filters, you'll have enough for a year, or even more frequent changes if you prefer. What we like. This pack contains 12 filters, providing a full year supply. It offers 3 installation methods for ultimate flexibility. If you want a versatile and long-lasting solution, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It was easy to install. In fact, it made breathing much easier. So much so that I am now sleeping much better than before, while using my BiPAP CPAP. Adds added protection against bacteria in your breathing tube. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.